Um, okay, what's up, guys? Today I'll be doing a Brooklyn Nets rebuild. I know the Nets aren't struggling in real life. I just want to do a rebuild for fun on next gen. Um, so yeah, the Nets are showing why they're so deadly with their top duo. I have them as the best team in the NBA. But Spencer Dinwiddie got injured, so I mean, it's kind of like hurts the case. But whatever. So we're gonna be rebuilding the Brooklyn Nets. This is not a realistic real. This is just for fun. So we got Kevin Durant, Kyrie Irving, Spencer Dinwiddie, Karis LeVert, Jared Allen, DeAndre Jordan, Joe Harris, Jeff Green, and some other guys. Landry Shamet. They got stop season. So yeah, this roster is pretty good. I'm not gonna make any game. I'm not gonna make a coach game plan. Um, but yeah, this team should win the championship, or at least get to like the conference finals. So more simulating. Nets today beat the Hawks. Um, I don't know what to say. The season has been weird. Um, oh yeah, injuries. I forgot to turn injuries off. Let me quickly turn injuries off real quick. And then I gotta put Spencer back in the game plan. But why is he 73 overall? So it doesn't swap there? What? So we're gonna have Karis LeVert as our sixth man. Give Karis LeVert minutes, bro. Jeff Green needs to chill at these minutes. Same with Bruce Brown, bro. Chill. Kyrie's gonna play 38, KD 38, 32, Joe Harris 26 and 33. Okay, so um, damn, we got this team's not good in 2K for some reason. I don't know why, but they rebuilt correctly, and this is an amazing team. They have everything, everything that you need. They have everything, but 2K is just, mm, we're trash. Like, I don't know. And the Sixers, for some reason, are so good in this game. The Sixers aren't that good either, though, and they're just, I don't know. They kill it. They kill it in this game. Yeah. I'm not gonna make any trades this season. Next season, though, I'm gonna just make some trades. Have fun. You know, we're just gonna. We'll see what we got. I mean, hopefully win the championship now. But I mean, this team's good. And too fat. I mean, I said they weren't really good in 2K, but I mean, they're killing it. They're losing to bad teams like the Pistons. I don't know why. And the Bulls, the Cavs are beating. But we won 51 times for MVP on this. James Wiseman, Rookie of the Year, Brandon Clark, Giannis DPOY, MPJ Most Improved that season, 155. This is the first team, second team, and we got two of our guys on there, 28, 23. KD's not that good in this game either. Like, is it his 10? Oh, I skipped over to rookie teams. It's whatever. I think LaMelo was in and stuff. So, stats, player stats. So we got 28, 4 and 7 for Kyrie, 23, 6 and 5 for KD. Okay. Christopher 17 and 4, 3 rebounds. Spencer 17 6. Jeff Green 9. The big man, no, Jared Allen 7 9. A block. Joe Harris 7. I mean, he didn't shoot very well. 44%. I mean, that's good. Torian Prince was getting minutes. Landry Shamet. DeAndre Jordan, bro. Come on. 12 boards is nice. But come on. And I don't know. Um, NBA standings. We'll check out. So Boston's first. It seems good. It seems good. Milwaukee with the MVP. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty good as well. Us, 3 seed. For some reason, Jeff Green's starting, which I'm gonna switch. Yeah. Hawks. Actually, I'm gonna roll with it. But they got Thomas Bryant. I don't really like that. Yeah, I don't like that. The Heat, they're gonna be good. Philly, they got Ronde. Orlando, Washington. What did Russ do? Okay. Pacers missed the playoffs. Raptors missed the playoffs. Knicks missed the playoffs. Detroit misses the playoffs. Charlotte misses the playoffs. What did LaMelo do? 17, 5, 4. Cleveland misses the playoffs. Chicago misses the playoffs. And who else? Okay, that's so Chicago was last in the East. The Lakers reigning champions, first seed in the West. Okay, yeah, yeah. Clippers second seed with their superstar wings. Yeah. Dallas with Luka. Luka's playing shooting there. Okay. Did they do anything? No, not really. Memphis. I'm surprised Memphis. Young Memphis and the Warriors are healthy. The team's good, healthy. Look at the guys coming off the bench, bro. That's crazy. Portland. So Carmelo's coming off the bench. Okay. New Orleans with there's a lot of young team. They got Malik Beasley. Okay, I was gonna say, please don't tell me Trey Alonzo, but yeah, they're young. 3 young stars right there. Phoenix with Chris Paul makes the playoffs. Okay. And then Utah misses it, barely. Seems good. They brought Jay Crowder and Rajon Rondo. They brought in Isaiah. They had some new players. Okay. Houston missed it. We don't know if James is going to get traded IRL in real life. Denver misses it. Okay. Bobo. Minnesota misses it. What did, nice, 16. Spurs miss it with DeMar. And, Sacramento misses it. That's okay. And OKC misses it like we all expected. Yeah. So we gotta go against Philly. Ben Simmons, Danny Green, Tobias Harris, Rondé. Well, they don't have much shooting, so I don't see them winning. They got these two, and then Danny Green's not the best shooter anymore, and then Joel's not really a good shooter. Tobias is aight. Danny Green might be the best shooter in their lineup. Okay, we're down 2 games. 2-2. 3-2. Let's go. So we lost in the first round, because I know we're not winning this. They're up, I'm not making a comeback, and that's for sure, yeah. So Ben Simmons, obviously, of course. And this Nets team just isn't good enough. Why is KD shooting 10 times? I don't understand, but we'll simulate the playoffs. See who wins. Clippers vs Hawks. Kawhi got his third finals MVP. Okay. That does not make too much sense. So let's sim. So we have pick 27. Okay. Who retired? Can I see who retired? Okay, whatever. So Steph signing. No, we'll keep our guys. Let's go to the NBA draft. Hopefully we draft a young guy to get someone, because honestly, we could. I think we package Joe Harris with this pick and that second rounder. I think we can get something decent. Well, we're not getting really much. Okay. We'll just make our pick. Let's just get 2 Badgers. Get Al Williamson. Why not? Rookie signing. We'll sign him to a deal. We'll give Landry Shamet. We gotta re-sign Spencer and Jared Allen. Give them both qualifying. So Spencer, I want to give him like a 23. Take 23 the player. Same with Jared Allen, but I'll give him like 18 the player. Okay. Loki bringing in Danny Green would not hurt. Same with Ish Smith. Huh? Oh, let me. Okay. Hassan wants 13 million, bro. Just take the minimum, bro. Can you please take? Low key, I would. I kind of want to clear some space for Hassan. Do I trade Torian Prince? I think I do. I think I get Hassan Whiteside, low key. Huh? Damn. So we couldn't get Hassan. I thought if we cleared 13 mil. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, whatever. So we gotta load in 2022. Hopefully send our rookie to tap. No. I want to make a trade for someone. Ben Simmons is low-key ideal. I kind of want to get Ben Simmons on me. Like, if I have to give up Karis LeVert, Joe Harris, and some first, I'm fine with doing that. What if I give up Spencer as well? I don't really want. Oh, okay, so we got Ben Simmons on the roster. So we gave up a lot of depth, but doesn't matter that much. I mean, Ben Simmons gives you triple doubles in this game. And I also want to get someone else, but I don't know if we're going to get him. I want to bring back Russ, but I don't think we're going to be able to do it. Not bring back, but I want to pair up Russ with KD again. 22 mil. Yeah, we're going to have to trade a whole team, and I'm not going to do it. So we can't get Russ, but right now, bro, ain't no way Ben Simmons is coming off the bench. You're trying to tell me you're going to start Bruce Brown and Stanley Johnson. It would probably go like that. You know what, how do I change people's games? 92 small forward? So he's better than Kyrie. Okay. Also, how do I put Keel's tendencies up? Okay. I also... I want a new shooting guard. So I think I'm going to put Al, whatever his name is. And Loki Landry Shaman in there. See what we can get. We can get, like, Patrick Beverly's not bad. Christian Wood, bruh, off the bench would not be horrible either. Brooke Lopez. Then we could trade Jared Allen. Or this Atlanta pick. I'm going to get this Atlanta pick. And toss that in with Jared Allen. No, that Atlanta. Huh? Probably that Thunder pick. Yeah, it was that. This pick's valuable. Oh my god. We can get Chris Middleton. We'll bring Karis LeVert back, low-key. Kinda wanna get Chris Middleton right here, bro. Can we snag someone though? Like Brooke Lopez for me? 21 mil. How much is Brooke making? Okay, we'll give this exception. Yo, I'm doing this trade. I'm bringing Chris Middleton, Brooke Lopez. Yes, yes. So what's your roster looking like? Oh my god, this team's stacked. So we got Kyrie, Chris Middleton, Ben Simmons, Kevin Durant, DeAndre Jordan, Brooke Lopez. I think I might start Brooke. I think I'm gonna start Brooke. But I don't love our bench. I don't love it. Is there anyone in free agency? Is Melo here? Can I get like a Carmelo, bro? I'm bringing in Carmelo. I can't? I can't bring in Melo? Why do you want 12 mil, bro? Melo. Melo, Melo. Melo. You don't even have a championship. You could come win a championship with us. Like, are we about to bring IP? JaVale would not be bad, actually. He declined. What about Marquise? What? Jeff Teague? No, he's not gonna take that. Bro, that's disgusting. Right there. I'm gonna trade Danny Green, Bruce Brown, and a first, bro. This is not realistic, so I'm just saying. That's not giving me anyone. Cam Johnson's nice, but like, is that really like? Nah, bro. Oh. I gave them a lot, but they're not. I would want a center if anything. Like Drummond, I can't bring in though. That's too much money. Um, is there anyone that can get Tyler Hero? Nick Claxton. I'll give up two first if I have to, bro. Like Tyler Hero is obviously not as valuable in this game, in real life, but still, maybe he is. Never mind, maybe he is a 3-star player. Okay, Capella wouldn't be bad. I just need a bench player. That's it. Kelly's back in OKC. Yo, Terrence? Okay. Just for... Nah, bro. Just give me Terrence. Bro, just take this. Why do you want Danny Green? I want Danny Green. He's lucky. I want to give him a no chill. Yes, sir. Okay. This team's stacked. But I want Brook Lopez starting. Okay, this is the team. So, we got Kyrie Irving, Chris Middleton, Ben Simmons, Kevin Durant, Brook Lopez, DeAndre Jordan, Terrence Davis, Bruce Brown, and Caleb Love. And we saw Danny Green and some people. Stanley. Hey. So let's simulate. We lose our first game, but we're continuing to do decent. We lose to Milwaukee. At least we're beating up on the bad teams. The Knicks. But I don't like that we're losing to all the good teams. That's the problem. Boston. If we're winning against OKC, like that doesn't show me anything. Well, we beat the Lakers. That's nice. 18-10 though. I don't know how I feel about that. Golden State. So this team's obviously very good. Yeah, this is a very good team. Knicks. Yep. Let's go. Come on, keep it going. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, we beat the Wizards by a lot. Pistons, we should not lose to the Pistons. Pistons aren't good. Bucks, we lose by 30 to the Bucks. That's beautiful. And then we beat the Lakers by 50. Bro, some of these teams we should not be losing to, bro. 55 and 27, that's amazing. Giannis, second straight MVP, I'm pretty sure. Cade Cunningham in OKC. Dude, DeMarcus Cousins and on the Heat. Six Man of the Year. Jonathan Isaac, DPOY, Jalen Smith, most improved. And yeah. We won Coach of the Year. This is the first team. Second team. And third team. Yusuf Nurkic made it. I'm surprised. Defensive teams. Okay, so we're the second seed. Boston was better. We're the second seed going against Washington. Okay, I like this. So, Russ vs. KD. They got Capella. That's a beautiful pickup. JJ Redick. I mean, yeah. He's not good though. Like they're good, obviously, but they're not better enough. Like Ben had a pretty good regular season. Now in the playoffs, he wants to go off. KD didn't have. Oh, this is disgusting. When you look at the numbers and then you see, oh 9. Okay, Ben Simmons, bro. He came to play. 37 on 76. Shaban would be proud right now. No cap. Okay, we lose the game. Okay. Let's go up 3-1. Kyrie assisting the ball. KD playing decent. Nick it out. Next to Orlando. Oh. One thing I don't understand though is why would the Timberwolves trade D'Lo for Nikola Vucevic when they have Karl-Anthony Towns? I don't really understand that. We win game 1. D'Lo is probably going off. Yeah, he's going off. Kyrie wants to go off now. Come on, Chris Middleton. Bruce Brown went off. Ben Simmons slowed down, but Terrence Davis is going off, bro. He's going off. Brook Lopez is playing nice. DeAndre Jordan's getting 11 boards for us. Let's go. D'Lo is still killing us. I would kind of want to hop in since that was a major move, but hey, D'Lo keeps going off. But D'Lo, bro, this guy's a superstar. I don't think he had one game. Okay, that was his worst game. But KD wanted to close it out right there. And we have the 8-seeded Hawks. Oh my god, please, bro. Okay. I'm actually going to do this right now. Ben Simmons. Just lock up Trae Young for me. Please. Nice. Trae Young had 14. Nice. Let's go. Ben Simmons is he's not really locking Trae Young up. Let's go. Last but not least, we got Denver. They got Josh Richardson. That's a nice pickup. Another game. Let's go. Let's go. 2 more. Let's go. I want to jump in if like we're up. Okay. Oh my god. Please, bro. Just close it out. I'm jumping in. I'm not gonna play it though. I'm not gonna play it. I'm not gonna play it, bro. Nope, this camera angle is not good. Yes. So why is Bruce Brown in the game? And Terrence Davis? Kyrie's out there. Hold on. Before KD better get subbed in. Where is KD? Okay, he's in. And Chris Middleton's not in. Take Bruce Brown out of there. Please get Bruce Brown out of there. Come on, lock in. Lock in, DeAndre. Great defense. Lock in. Fucking. Oh no. Oh no. Look at Bull Bull, bro. Okay, good board. Yeah, I think we secured it. I think we secured it. I think. And one. And one. And one. Why was Jokic on it? Why was Bull Bullin? Like Bull was good and all, but like shit. Yeah, we won. You know what? Let me jump in because it's kind of obvious that we won. You know what I mean? So first of all, oh shoot, Kyrie foul. Oh, I didn't. I wanted to put Chris Middleton in. Damn. I want to use Ben. Good Ben, man. Ben, take it. Ah! Yo, he's gonna win Finals MVP. Ben, KD, Kyrie. I got my money on probably Ben since stats are the only thing that really matters in this game. And this game is not over. Definitely not over. KD. I want to. I'm still surprised how Melo didn't join us, bro. He could have got a free ring right here. Oh, oh, Carmelo's here. I never even knew he was in the game. Carmelo's on Denver. He's back on Denver. That's cool. Melo, I mean, you made the finals. Cool for you, but you could have came here and won the championship. But nah, you want to go back to Denver. You want to go back to Denver, Melo. You want to go back to Denver, Melo. Melo wanted to go back to Denver, man. He wanted to, man. Kyrie. Damn, Kyrie played nice. Can I, like, skip this part? Damn. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn, I should have gave it to KD, because I don't know if I trust Ben with free throws. Yeah, let's go. Good job, Ben. Ben has 22 and 9. What about Terrence Davis has 22 in a closeout game. DeAndre has 1 point but 15 rebounds. Chris Middleton 13. Yeah, that's a bucket. Chris Middleton does not miss these, bro. Yeah, we closed the cell. Let's go. What did KD have? 22, 6, and 4. Jokic. They do not want to go away, bro. They don't. Oh my god, I got scared right there. Melo, you should have came to Brooklyn. He really didn't want to come to Brooklyn for minimum. He wanted 12 million. If he didn't get that 12 million, then I feel bad for you, Melo, because that's disgusting. Yeah, it's over. Let's go. Green. Ben is on the bench. Danny Green gets his 4th ring, bro. No way. Danny Green really gets his 4th ring. Let's go. Who's Finals MVP? Kyrie. I like Kyrie. Got Ben in the back. That was an N1 by Kyrie. That was the dagger. Terrence gets a chip. Brooke Lopez gets his chip. Brooke Lopez gets a championship. Can I like skip this? I'm sorry, but I don't really want to look at this. I don't know. Can I skip it? Thank you. So let's look at the box score. So Kyrie put up 38. He averaged 25 in the playoffs. Who did what this game? Bull. Where's Bull? I want to see. Bull put up 8. Okay, so Kyrie put up 38. KD put up 22. Terrence put up 22, bro. Vincent was put up 20 on 90% shooting. Chris Middleton put up 18. Brook Lopez put up 8. DeAndre put up 1 point, but he got 15 rebounds. 3 assists. Okay. So, Brooklyn Nets are champions. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, I think. Should I continue? You know what? Let's run it back. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. Who cares, bro? Let's run it back. Yeah, let's run it back. Do we have a pick? We have picks. Oh, I don't want to draft. Never mind. Yeah, no thanks. Team player options. Okay. Oh, we gotta re-sign both. That's true. Bro, what is this? Huh? They really simmed free agency? So I couldn't even make an offer. Yeah, we lost everyone because I couldn't make an offer. Okay, well, I'm not rebuilding this team anymore because it just simmed free agency. So our team is. This is our team. Everyone left. Okay, whatever. So yeah, that will be. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's my Brooklyn Nets rebuild. Um, yeah, that's it. We won a championship with KD and Kyrie, and I said it wasn't gonna be realistic or it wasn't gonna be tough because the Brooklyn Nets are already good in real life. So yeah, that's it, everyone. Bye.